Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. To stop the probe of the immediate past governor of Rivers State and now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, the Pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers in the Rivers State has moved to amend the law that could have been used, that could be used to probe the administration of Nyesom Wike. That's what we're going to talk about right now. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The factional House of Assembly in Rivers State, led by Martins Amaewhule, has risen against the Rivers State Commission of Inquiry Law of 1999. The 27 embattled lawmakers who defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress when the PDP was not in any crisis and are believed to have lost their seats for violating Section 109(1)G of the 1999 Constitution as amended. These lawmakers, who are loyal to the FCT minister, have moved to amend a law that had been there since 1999 to prevent Governor Simi Fubara from investigating the former governor. The embattled lawmakers, they are rushing to repeal the law which empowers the state governor or the state government to inquire into past administration. Interestingly, this same law they want to repeal now was used by Governor Wike when he was governor of Rivers State to create a judicial commission of inquiry that probes the tenure of Governor Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi. So this law was used by Wike when it was convenient for him to probe the administration of Amaechi. But right now, the lawmakers loyal to him don't want Fubara to be able to use that same law to probe Nyesom Wike. So the Amaewhule-led assembly has begun the process of repealing the law, and the law has already passed through second reading. The repeal process was initiated by the lawmakers following the decision of the state government, led by Governor Simi Fubara, to set up a judicial commission of inquiry to probe the recent arson and destruction of local government secretariats in parts of the state. That commission invited the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, and the All Progressive Congress Caretaker Committee Chairman, Chief Tony Okocha, to testify in the probe. Both men shunned the probe. They did not send any representation. Now, what is interesting about this is the way politicians use our legal system, our law, our constitution, just for their own selfish interest. When it was convenient, that law was used by the Wike administration to probe his predecessor. But now that another administration is thinking of probing his own, allegedly, the lawmakers, Nyesom Wike lawmakers, are amending the constitution, are amending the law. Now, the interesting thing about it is this law they are making, they know that they can't present it to Governor Fubara, because Fubara rightly does not recognize them. So if they make this law now, as they are accelerating the process, when they pass the law, they can't transmit it to Simi Fubara to sign into law. However, you know that after some time, they can overrule the governor's failure to sign it and still pass it. It becomes a law. But the problem is, are they really lawmakers? These Nyesom Wike lawmakers, are they lawmakers? This is because when they defected in 2023 to the All Progressive Congress, when there was no crisis in the PDP that sponsored them, it is believed that by that action they took, they have lost their seats. Because Section 1091G of the 1999 Constitution was clear about this. And Supreme Court have ruled about this kind of situation. But because we are running a civilian government without application of true tenets of democracy, that's why they still have the mouth to talk, to claim that they are the lawmakers. Because ordinarily, since they defected in 2023, December, the Independent National Electoral Commission ought to have conducted fresh election so that this law, Nyesom Wike lawmakers, they can now contest under the banner of their new party. There will be fresh elections to fill the vacant 27 seats that was created by their defection. But you can see how the whole thing matter is dragging to the level now that when the governor of the state want to do something, they will try to counter it by claiming that they are making law against that particular policy. You can see how they worked against local government election in River State. Local government election that was mandated by the Supreme Court of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. These people connived and worked against their governor, did everything they could to stop the governor from conducting that election. And this is what you get when you have a judiciary that speaks from both sides of the mouth. And it's not good for democracy. It is not good for business. That's why foreign investors are scared of Nigeria. Because by now, these lawmakers ought to have gone to the polls in a by-election so that the Rivers people will decide whether they want them to be lawmakers. But now they are still claiming that they are the lawmakers, challenging the governor at every opportunity, countering the governor. They were instrumental in stopping the allocation of the Rivers State government, the allocation that belongs to Rivers people. By denying Rivers people their allocation, it shows that they don't care about the people. They don't care whether teachers are paid. They don't care whether nurses are paid. They don't care whether doctors are paid. They don't care whether the cleaners in the ministries are paid. All they cared is to cripple Governor Fubara. And why is that possible? Because of our judiciary. Look at the mess that is in Imo State today. It is because of the judiciary too. When somebody who came forth was turned to number one in Imo State, that was when the last straw that broke the camel's back. Today, Imo State is one of the most insecure part of Nigeria. People are killed at will. And several communities people in several communities may not go back to their home, travel home this Christmas in parts of Imo State. In the Olu zone in particular, where even the governor himself is from. All thanks to the judiciary modeling up the water everywhere, creating confusion and failing to do the needful, endangering our democracy. That's what gave these people the right to try to stop the governor from executing his duties, from looking into the affairs of the state. The governor wants to probe. The governor has even set up a probe panel to investigate the arson of local government secretariat. And that was done in anger. Those who did it in anger because they were unhappy that the Rivers people came out as one to participate in the October 5 election that they never wanted to be held. These lawmakers, Pro-Wike lawmakers, they never wanted that election to hold. But to their chagrin, it held. After the thing was peaceful, the whole world was praising Rivers State for its peaceful conduct of the election. What did we get the next day? The next Monday, burning of 3 secretariats, local government secretaries. For what purpose? All in the search to create atmosphere for a state of emergency in Rivers State. But the people of Rivers, they were wiser. They didn't allow it to escalate more than that, the 3 local governments that were touched. And the Rivers Governor Simi Fubara, like every other chief security officer of a state, need to set up a commission of inquiry to find out the reason for the arson so that it doesn't happen again. And the so-called lawmakers are not happy that that kind of thing, inquiry should be set up. And they are working against that, including future probes that the governor may decide to make. It shows that the lawmakers, the Nyesom Wike lawmakers, are not bothered about the interest of Rivers people, but their own personal interest. And that is not good enough for democracy. And that's not good enough for the people of Rivers State. I don't know what you think about this. Whatever is your position on the Rivers State, on the Nyesom Wike lawmakers' move to repeal the law that could be used to probe their principal, Nyesom Wike. What do you have to say about this? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.